To listen to instructions is very important. Na like exam wa ta ku answer all questions. Read before you answer. What is this? Wa fika tikweni wa ku la hi le petanenge. Niku lexo robela xinandunduma lexa rabela xinandunduma iya magezi yo sa mane mama ilava kala vaku haingena ngona yerelele mbelwene. Wona if there's one thing lexi munhu a nga nyikiwa xona hi Xikwembu or lexi Xikwembu xi dyondzisaka munhu xona handle ka rirhandzu and the sense of giving, it's the ability to listen, or let me just say it's leadership. And you cannot be a good leader loko i nga ri a good listener. Now timhaka ta Jesu loko a ta misaveni a nga ri timhaka ta ku i fana a fela vanhu ntsena. Loko ri va ku timhaka ta ku i fana a fela vanhu a to fika a jatama misaveni i va n'wi vamba and then swidyoho swi hlantswiwa. But ku va a fike laya a fika va na 12 wa vanhu or 12 disciples vadyondzisiwa va yena, he was teaching them a sense of leadership. Because kusuka ka leadership, if wena tanihi munhu you have got a sense of leadership in you, you can be able to conquer anything. Or phela self-leadership yi ta na self-discipline and self-companionship, to learn to be alone. So kuna barrier loko hlaya bibeleni va nge Jonas, loko va n'wi rhuma hambi va n'wi rhuma Tashish a baleka Niniva, hambi va n'wi rhuma Niniva a baleka Tashish, you know the story, a ni nge yi ina nin'wanyana. So the fact ya ku va Jonas a inaniwe laha, God was trying to build that sense of self-dependence aka yena, but yena he didn't get it. What you see, sir? Not actually the makata self-dependence ntsena, because before you develop your own self-dependence, you must be a spiritual giant, and your spiritual consciousness give you God consciousness. And then a God consciousness aka wena, and then you develop your soul consciousness, which is self-consciousness in a way. Or you broaden your soul. Your soul's ability to take pressure in the and that is self-consciousness. So the magata Jonas kuba the way anga va iswona loko Xikwembu xi n'wi rhuma a tsuma ya lena le, he actually wanted to do things on his own with his own mind. And loko swi ta ka timhaka ta Xikwembu, you need to forget the problem with us is timhaka ta ku hi busy ngopfu hi instant gratification. We don't understand the growth when it comes to things. That's why la ku ndla swilo hi tindlela ta hina. That's why kuma ku vo tala mi tikuma mi ri ka ti-relationship ta mi fanele mi nga ri ka tona, ti-marriage ta mi fanele mi nga ri ka tona. What is it? Because you want to do things on your own. You don't understand ku loko Xikwembu xi ku kuma ndlela leyiwa a wu swi tivi. Phela another thing i ku a hi ti endlangi mina wena, na vutomi lebyi hi nga na byona hi yo lombiwa, laha nga hi lomba byona a nga vona byi teka anytime. So what makes you think you can actually do things on your own if you are achieve? A ku ri problem ya barrier va nge Jonas yaleyo. What you says a twi nga ku laha Xikwembu xi n'wi rhumaka ku dangerous, because he was only thinking on his own mental capacity. Allow God to break you and make you over. Allow God to show you a way. A se ni ku chumayele namuntlha u vona swi tele ngopfu ti-decision leti ti endlaka with your own self-consciousness, which is not well built enough to stand on its own. Self-consciousness ya inani ya Jonas a nge za yi tiyela ku a nga kota ku ti inana. That's why Xikwembu xa ha n'wi landzelela xi n'wi rhumala leyi. You get to listen to instructions is very important. Na like exam wa ta ku answer all questions. Read before you answer. What you says? Wa fika tikweni wa ku la hi le petanenge, we fiki peta mbilu hinkwayo va ku tshova mbilu, peta miri hinkwayo va kha wa ri vona bodo ri tsariwile ku la hi le petanenge. What is this? Hoxa hinkwavo. And then se loko va ku break va ku tsemela hi ti-pieces vavasati va laya plus va kahle wa vo i vuyiti ta ri la hina ni le bya leyi.